All right, let's talk about the July drop. I am so excited about this. If you have felt just like off or lost, or you're ready for like a nice reset, especially because it's summer and things are crazy and it's hot and there's a lot of activities going on, maybe we have just kind of let some things fall to the side and we want to just get back on track. That's what the July drop is all about. It is a 7-day summer reset that you can recycle and do it every single 7 days if you want. But we don't want to overwhelm ourselves with an entire 30-day challenge because that's sometimes too much for everyone. So we're going to start with a 7-day reset challenge, and I am so excited. So here's what it looks like. You can find it in the resource tab under July monthly drop. You're going to download this PDF right here. It's going to give you some quick instructions. And remember that this is not about doing everything perfectly. It's just about showing up with purpose and determination to do something different. So whether you do all of these every single day or just pick 2 or 3 or 1 that you can do every single day, that is showing up with purpose, and that is a reset. You do what you can do and don't punish yourself if you can't do it all. But here are the 3 daily actions that we're going to do every day for 7 days. The first one is you are going to use the tracker that is at the end of this PDF. You can save it to your phone and track on it digitally, or you can print it out if you have a printer to track like that. And you can print it out and repeat it as many weeks as you want. So the first thing you're going to do is choose your movement for the day. This can be as simple as mopping your floors or doing a load of laundry or cleaning up your kitchen, doing something that you typically wouldn't do every single day. I mean, we are probably cleaning our kitchen every single day, but like maybe a deep clean or like clean out your cabinets or clean out your cupboard or something like that. Like doing something that you typically wouldn't do every single day, that you're adding just a little bit more movement to your day. Or it could be something as serious as actually going to the gym every single day. This is up to you. We just want to add more movement into our day every single day. You're also going to log your meals for these 7 days. And again, this can be any way that you want. You can log them on ChatGPT like I do. You can put them into the Pep app. You can write them out into the tracker. You can use MyFitnessPal or Lose It or any other way that you want to track. You're just going to want to track your meals for these 7 days just to reset, to just really understand what you're eating every single day. We're also going to prioritize protein, sleep, and adding in some supplements and vitamins that just help us feel good. You're going to fill out what you can and skip what you can't, and not beat yourself up if you skip. And then the last thing that you're going to do is you are going to check in every single day in the GLP1 Girl Code community. I'm going to post a new thread every single day, and you are going to comment underneath responding to that prompt. This is the one that I think you really need to show up for, because that's going to prove accountability, because that's going to show accountability and that you are actually showing up for yourself. If it's uncomfortable to post it there, that's okay. Just do it in a notebook or in your notes app. You can also even just email it straight to me if you want just me to see it. It's completely up to you. The point here is that you are, again, showing up for yourself. Okay, and just remember, you can do this once or you can do it every single week for as long as you want. You can skip weeks, you can come back to it. This is your tracker. This is your reset for when you need it. And if you miss a day, that's okay. Just remember, there's no falling behind and there's no starting over. The July reset will start on July 1st inside the GLP1 Girl Code community. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know.